Welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy trying to profit online, then this is the best channel for you. Make sure to follow at the very end of this video so that you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. So let's get started. This is a completely new website that we never mentioned before that will pay you actual cash for completing basic tasks. I also discovered this completely free software that would do all the job for you so that you can enjoy earning passive income without spending hours doing hard labor, and you can utilize this without making any investment. But before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new strategy in making money so that I would upload lots of different methods in earning money online. If you truly want to make this function, make sure you follow all the steps of this video and follow everything until the end. This is going to be a completely free software that will do all the tasks for you, and you can make some money with this, and it is very easy. However, before we go to that software and before I explain the process, you must first go to cjinc.info. cjinc.info is a globally available website. No matter where you are in the world, you can earn money with this website. Anyone can use this website to make money for free. They will pay you for your time. It's all free to join. There is no investment required. There are numerous ways to earn money with this website, but there will be one single thing they will do right here that will make users earn the most money without users having to do the hard work. If you want to generate even more money and maximize your results while the software performs the job for you, then this is the software for you. You can also specialize in different areas such as market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching to increase your earnings. Even if you only use that one specific area that the software will handle for you, you can still make a significant sum of money every day. And you could see at the bottom testimonials from individuals all over the world who have used this website and made money. With this website, everyone can make money. You can work from almost everywhere at any time and generate as much as you want. Without any investment, it's a pretty good website that users have been using for years. If you go to the homepage and click on career, you'll see a series of different jobs that you may complete on this website to earn money. For this video, we're only going to focus on online proofreading jobs that pay $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. All you have to do is fixing grammatical problems, spelling mistakes, factual inaccuracies, and correcting grammar issues. You don't need to be an English expert or a proficient speaker because the website that I'm going to share with you will do all the work for you. All you have to do is copy and paste the article into the software, and the software will do the rest. Just come back here and collect your profits. You can do it over and over, and I'll explain how it works in detail later. For now, just click on the online proofreading jobs to learn more about it and what it contains and how it works. You may possibly end up with up to $100 for a single task you do here you didn't have to complete because the software took care of everything. You don't have to bother with all the hard effort. All you have to do is copy the full article and paste it into your software. Before we get to the software that will perform all the work for you, I need to show you how to apply for a job and where to receive articles. You can also get paid $10, $20, $30, or $50 per job you finish. Just go to cjinc.info and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apply for Jobs. Then click Download Application Form. A registration form will appear, which you must complete. You'll need to choose a job, and your current job will be proofreading. Once you select proofreading jobs, just answer the basic information about yourself and enter your email address so that they can send you your future opportunities. If you want to optimize your results and get even more jobs to accomplish, you can make more money on the website by selecting employed and freelancer where it says current professional status, because that reason they will send you more jobs to complete. Whereas if you select unemployed, they will not likely send you jobs to complete. I strongly advise you pick both 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on the hours you are available to work, because you don't have to perform the job yourself. You may be available throughout the day. The software will do all the tasks for you. It's a simple task that takes less than a minute to accomplish. You can do it at any time and from anywhere. Simply copy the text and paste it into the software, and the software will do the rest. Simply return to claim your earnings. I recommend that you select multiple companies in order to make more money, and just choose your payment option based on how you want to get paid. After that, simply hit submit and you're done. You've finished the form and will now begin receiving job offers. They'll send you an article. All you have to do is correct the grammar mistakes. Simply read through the entire article, copy the full article, and then go to slickright.com/#home. This is a completely free bot that will do all the work for you, correcting all your grammar mistakes and checking your grammar in a matter of seconds. Slickright is a free tool that makes it simple to check writing for grammar problems and other useful features. The grammar checker works in an instant. All you have to do is paste your text and it will do the work. You're ready to use it and start making money from creative jobs. So go to Slickright and test out the demo of how it works, or you can immediately begin writing and earning money by just pasting the text into the box. Or if Dave supplied you a file, you can simply upload a file and the software will do all the work. Grammarly.com is the second software program you can utilize. You can use Grammarly by pasting your text, and that will also line up all of the errors, and when you try to correct them, it will do it for you. It is very simple. Everything will take less than a minute to complete. After you finish, simply copy the revised piece into the creative jobs and submit your project. You may earn anywhere from $10 to $200 or even $300 each task completed. And it's as easy as copying and pasting some text. Again, just go to cjinc.info to apply for those jobs. And once you've been accepted, you'll receive an article which you can copy and paste into some of the free software I've shared with you in this video. Simply paste your article into the software and it will correct all the grammar errors. You may then copy the complete text with no grammar faults and return to cjinc.info. Just paste that and claim your earnings. It's extremely simple and anyone can do it since it doesn't need any prior experience. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks again for your undivided attention, and I'll see you in some of our next videos.